Move over. Kale smoothies and celery juice. There's a new health drink in town. It's time to make room for something that's been quietly gaining popularity. Okra water, a simple concoction made by soaking okra pods in water, is creating quite a buzz. This unassuming drink is making waves in the health community for its potential benefits. Touted for its potential health benefits, this humble drink is being hailed as a natural elixir for everything from better digestion to glowing skin. Advocates claim it can help regulate blood sugar levels, support weight loss, and even improve heart health. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and separate fact from fiction. We'll explore the science behind these claims and see if okra water is truly a miracle drink or just another passing trend. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a nutrient-rich vegetable enjoyed in various cuisines worldwide. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a healthy addition to any diet. While typically consumed cooked, okra pods contain a gummy substance called mucilage, which is released when soaked in water. This mucilage is what gives okra water its unique texture and is believed to be the key to its health benefits. This mucilage is believed to be the key to okra water's purported health benefits. It's thought to aid in digestion by acting as a natural laxative, and its high fiber content can help keep you feeling full longer. So is okra water worth the try? Let's find out together. Making okra water is surprisingly simple. You only need a few okra pods and a glass of water. Wash the okra pods thoroughly and trim off the ends. Slice the pods into halves or thirds, or simply use them whole. Place the okra pieces in a glass of water and let them soak overnight or for at least 8 hours. The water will turn slightly slimy, which indicates the release of mucilage. Strain the water before drinking, discarding the okra pods. You can enjoy your okra water plain or add a squeeze of lemon for flavor. While more research is needed, some preliminary evidence suggests potential health benefits associated with okra water. Okra is a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. The mucilage in okra water may act as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can help regulate bowel movements and alleviate constipation. Additionally, okra is rich in antioxidants, which may provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Some proponents claim that okra water can improve skin health by reducing inflammation and promoting collagen production. However, these claims require further scientific investigation. Section 4. Proceed with caution, things to keep in mind. While okra water is generally considered safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks. This natural beverage has gained popularity for its health benefits, but like anything, it should be consumed in moderation. Okra contains fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can cause digestive issues like bloating and gas in some individuals, especially those with irritable bowel syndrome, often known as IBS. If you are prone to digestive discomfort, it's wise to start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. Moreover, excessive consumption of okra water may interfere with the absorption of certain medications. This is particularly important for individuals who rely on regular medication for chronic conditions. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before adding okra water to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current treatment plan. Remember, while okra water can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's always best to proceed with caution and be informed about its potential effects. Section 5. Okra water, miracle cure or overhyped trend. Okra water is a simple and affordable drink that may offer some potential health benefits. This beverage is made by soaking okra pods in water overnight, allowing the nutrients to infuse into the liquid. The result is a drink that some believe can aid in various health issues. Its high fiber and antioxidant content, combined with the prebiotic effects of mucilage, makes it an intriguing addition to a healthy diet. The fiber in okra can help with digestion, while antioxidants combat free radicals in the body. Mucilage, a gel-like substance, may support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. However, it is crucial to approach these claims with a balanced perspective. While anecdotal evidence and traditional uses are compelling, they are not substitutes for rigorous scientific research. While some preliminary evidence supports the potential digestive and skin health benefits of okra water, more research is needed to confirm these claims. Studies have shown promising results, but they're often limited in scope and sample size. Larger, more comprehensive studies are necessary to draw definitive conclusions. As with any dietary change, moderation and common sense are key. Incorporating okra water into a balanced diet can be beneficial, but it should not replace other essential nutrients and healthy habits. Regular exercise, a varied diet, and staying hydrated are all crucial components of a healthy lifestyle. If you're considering incorporating okra water into your routine, consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it aligns with your individual health needs and circumstances. Personalized advice from a healthcare professional can help you make informed decisions about your diet and overall wellness.